Welcome to Disney California. In this video we're taking you on a POV ride through the iconic It's a Small World. This classic Disney attraction takes you on a gentle and colorful boat journey through scenes inspired by children, cultures, music, and landmarks from around the world. Originally created for the 1964 New York World's Fair, the ride has since become one of the most beloved and recognizable Disney attractions. As you float through beautifully designed scenes representing different parts of the world, you'll see hundreds of animated dolls singing the famous "It's a Small World" song in different languages and styles. This is a full POV experience with no commentary, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this magical journey around the world.
Sige, okay lang mag-London na rin.